Hey there. Are you having trouble finding the calls on other devices setting on your iPhone or can't seem to enable it? No worries. I'm here to walk you through how to locate and turn on this feature on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check compatibility. First, make sure your iPhone and other Apple devices like your iPad or Mac are compatible with the calls on other devices feature. Your iPhone should be running iOS 16 or later. Solution 2. Enable Wi-Fi calling. Open Settings, scroll down, find and tap Wi-Fi calling. Toggle on Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. Follow any prompts to set up Wi-Fi calling if needed. Solution 3. Sign in to iCloud and FaceTime. Next, ensure that you're signed in to iCloud and FaceTime with the same Apple ID on all your devices. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID setting. Confirm that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Tap See All. Scroll down and make sure the phone and FaceTime apps are enabled. These are already enabled, try disabling them and then re-enabling them. Go back to Settings. Scroll down to find FaceTime. Ensure you're signed in with the same Apple ID here as well. Solution 4. Restart all devices. Restart your iPhone and any other devices you want to use for calls on other devices. Press and hold the power button and the volume button on newer models until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once your iPhone is off, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Restart your other devices in a similar way. Following these steps should likely resolve your issue. If you're still having trouble or need more help, drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get those calls working seamlessly across your devices. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.